Hello from Rade Garage. In this video I will show you how to install the skid plate, which is the same actually for KTM 690 and Husqvarna 701. We will need a very simple tool, the wrench number 10 and the Allen key number 5. So let's go down it. Okay, first of all we need to remove the original skid plate. So very simply release these two bolts from both sides, and then from the rear part of the skid plate these two bolts and rubber brackets. This will be reused, yeah, so these put aside, we will need them shortly. As a next step we need to assemble the skid plate. So first we apply the foam sticker from the inner side, then we take two bolts M6 by 14 and we will attach this bracket from the inner side like this, and there is an arrow which indicates the direction. We can put it like this, and from the inner side we put a bolt M6 by 14 and the bolt from this side. And we need to tighten this a little bit. So, okay, so next step, we prepare this rear rubber brackets. For we need to put here these rubber spacers or extensions. Yeah, this. Yeah, it goes here with the original bolts. It's not necessary to tighten it, because just finger tighten, because we need to move with this part a little bit while we are going to find the correct position in it. And again, just finger tight. Okay, once we are ready, we can install the skid plate here to this rubber holes. It's there, and in the front part we need to find the correct position for the M6 by 18 with these washers. So the rear part is in a correct position, and now we take a M5 by 18 bolt and a proper washer, and now we can very easily and tighten properly. Once the front bracket is attached in a correct position, we can move to the rear. Tighten the rear bolts, because we know already that it has a correct place. Okay, like this, yeah, so we are there. Yeah, and we are almost there. The cover needs to be attached from the top side. It's important to emphasize that you need to very diligently and properly screw these two bolts into the correct position, like this. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, okay, We are ready. So as you can see, there was nothing difficult. It took like 30 minutes, maybe a little bit more, with the installation of the original skid plate. So thank you for your attention, and cheers.